In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download folders in Google Drive. If you need to save a folder from Google Drive onto your computer for offline access, backup, or sharing, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open Google Drive and go to your Google Drive home dashboard. This is the main landing page where you can view your files, folders, and recent activity. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account before continuing, especially if you use more than one account. That will help you avoid downloading the wrong folder from the wrong drive. Once you're on the Google Drive home screen, look over to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This section contains the files and folders that are stored in your main personal drive space. Clicking My Drive makes it easier to locate the specific folder you want to download, especially if your home page is showing recent files or shared items instead. After that, find the folder you want to download. Next to that folder, click on the three dots to open the More Options menu. This menu gives you access to several actions you can take on the folder, including organizing, moving, renaming, and in this case, downloading it. Take a second here to make sure you've selected the correct folder before moving on. From the menu that appears, click Download. Google Drive will then begin preparing your folder for download. In most cases, Drive compresses the folder into a zip file before downloading it to your computer. Depending on the size of the folder and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. If nothing seems to happen right away, just give it a moment while Google Drive processes the request. Once the download finishes, you'll usually find the file in your computer's default Downloads folder, unless your browser is set to save files somewhere else. If the folder was downloaded as a zip file, you may need to extract it before you can open and use the files inside. And that's it. That's how to download folders in Google Drive. It's a quick process, but it's a useful one to know whenever you want a local copy of your files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.